Well, Joaquin, we just loaded the tools and set the axes. To do this, we use the operating panel. Now, let's look at these functionalities in a little more detail. Come on, I'll show you. The operating panel of the CNC machine is mainly divided into two parts. First, the CNC panel, which is essentially used for interacting with the functions and control parameters. On the other hand, we have the machine panel, which helps us to control the movement and speed of movements of the machine, as well as automatically referencing it. The CNC panel varies significantly between different CNC models, but we can highlight certain components whose functions are similar. This one here is the alphanumeric keyboard. It enables us to enter the information to the CNC directly. It may be full or reduced. The latter takes up less space on the panel, but it is difficult to use at first. These are the cursor keys, which allow us to move within the different values already entered in the CNC. We have the position key, which shows us the coordinates of the tool with respect to the 0 of the piece or the 0 of the machine, depending on which coordinate system we have set. This is the program key, which enables us to view the program to use, the list of programs loaded in the CNC, and, if applicable, the CNC mode activated. Edit, rename, and delete them. Then we have the offset function that allows us to access the modification of the geometry of the tools and also the settings due to tool wear. Finally, we have the reset key. This key updates the status of the alarms and interrupts all of the operations that are being carried out. In the case of the machine panel, while this varies between different CNC machine models, the main functions are similar and easy to identify. The cycle start key, which is usually green, runs the program selected in the CNC. We have the MDI key, which allows for the creation of simple programs for testing. So the problem that we have here is that once executed, this information is deleted. We have the automatic key. This lets us execute a previously selected program sequentially by pressing the cycle start key. The manual data entry edit key allows us to edit and enter blocks within the program using the alphanumeric panel. The return to reference point key enables us to send the carriages to their reference points by pressing the +Z or +X keys. It is used when the machine is turned on or after an emergency stop. We have the jog mode that is activated by pressing the jog key. This allows us to return the axes one at a time from the current position in a positive or negative direction. Normally, the CNCs have two different types of jog. Incremental jog that allows us to move the axes in steps, continuous jog that allows us to move the axes continuously, and a very important button is the emergency button. It cancels any operation that the CNC is running, including axis movements, and it activates the emergency alarm of the machine. To get out of this, we have to release the button, press reset, and we can begin. We're reaching the end of the tour, and you have a project to lead. If I asked you to activate the jog mode, which letter on the panel allows you to do this?